guys, it's me, Glacia, and welcome to my channel. If you are a new person, then welcome to my channel, I guess. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button and smash that subscribe button. So, and comment down below what I'm going to tell you. This is 5 ways you can make your bird come to you. One way is to get a peanut or whatever its favorite food is and put it by the cage. 2, you can get a stick or a toy that it likes and put it next to the cage or whatever you want it to go to. And 3 is to get a string or something that it likes to follow. And 4 is to get a rubber band and just like wiggle it and then put it down so it can get to it. And 5 is to get it food and water and put it wherever you want them to go to. So yeah, that was 5 ways what you can do to get your bird out of the cage or wherever you want it to go. And make sure you subscribe, you put that thumbs up, and comment down below what videos I should make next. And yeah, so my next video I'm going to probably do my routine, my morning routine. So yeah.